I am feeling very hungry now after traveling all day. The flight was long and I did not eat much at the airport. I need something warm and comfortable for dinner tonight. Let me look at the room service menu carefully. There are many options here, including pasta, burgers, and salads. Pizza sounds simple and delicious after such a long day. Should I choose a small or a large size? I think a large pizza will be better for me. Maybe I should also order a drink. Yes, I will call room service right now. Hello, this is room 305 calling for room service.
Good evening, sir. How may I assist you today?
I would like to order some food for dinner, please.
Of course. What would you like to order from the menu?
I would like one large pepperoni pizza.
Would you like any extra toppings on that pizza?
No, just the regular pepperoni and cheese is fine.
Would you like something to drink with your meal?
Yes, I would like a bottle of cold mineral water.
Still water or sparkling water, sir?
Still water, please. Thank you for asking.
Would you like any dessert after your meal?
What desserts do you have available tonight?
We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, and fresh fruit salad.
The chocolate cake sounds very tempting. Yes, please add one slice of chocolate cake.
Very good choice, sir. Let me confirm your order before sending it to the kitchen. One large pepperoni pizza, one bottle of still mineral water, and one slice of chocolate cake.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
It will take approximately 30 minutes to prepare.
That is perfectly fine. I can wait.
Would you like the food delivered directly to your room?
Yes, please bring it directly to my room.
You may charge it to your room bill or pay in cash.
Please charge everything to my room.
Very well, sir. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, can you send some extra napkins as well?
Of course. I will include extra napkins.
Thank you very much for your help.
Good evening, room service.
Yes, please come in.
Here is your order, sir.
It smells wonderful already.
Please check that everything is correct.
Yes, the pizza looks perfect. The cake looks delicious too.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Thank you for the excellent service.
If you need anything else, please call us anytime.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too, sir. Enjoy your dinner.